Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Gala price prediction and Gala news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Gala in 2022. Gala Games aims to set a new direction for the gaming industry by giving players back control over their games. The mission of Gala Games is to create blockchain games that you actually want to play. The project plans to bring creative thinking back to games and give players control over games and in-game assets using blockchain technology. Players can own non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and influence the governance of games in the Gala Games ecosystem. The Founders Nodes voting mechanism allows players to influence which games Gala should develop and which games should receive funding. In addition to buying NFTs for certain games, Gala Games also uses Gala, its own utility token. So far, Gala Games has released one finished game, Town Star, and an NFT collectible series, Vox. Since launching in 2019, Gala Games has grown to 1.3 million monthly active users and sold 26,000 NFTs, the most expensive of which was valued at $3 million, tempting a bullish breakout. However, the buyers would face multiple resistance on its path, trying to limit the potential rally. The declining 20-day EMA could soon nosedive below the 200-day EMA. Mana price is poised to break out of the wedge formation. The 24-hour trading volume in the Decentraland token is $477 million, indicating an 82.5% gain. The DECENTRALAND Mana price showcased a slow and steady downfall within the falling wedge pattern. The correction phase started from the $3.5 level and has discounted the altcoin by 37%, hitting the $2.2 support. This reversal pattern could kickstart a recovery rally once the price gives a genuine breakout from the overhead resistance. As price action narrows inside the wedge, we are likely to see a breakout soon. However, the technical chart shows the buyers need to overcome the confluence of resistance levels, such as the descending trendline, 20 and 200 EMA. If they succeed, the bullish rally will hit a 22% high resistance of $2.88, followed by the $3.5. The coin holders are exposed to a bearish breakdown until the pattern is intact, indicating a 22% downside risk. Technical indicator: the Mana price has recently nosedived below the 200-day EMA, indicating a bearish tendency. Moreover, a potential negative crossover among the 20 and 200 EMA could bolster a bearish fallout. The relative strength index slope travels a sluggish rally below the neutral zone, maintaining negative sentiment among traders. Resistance level: $2.5 and $2.88 support level: $2.22 and $1.7 of consolidation. Interest in Gala: what may have contributed to this? Well, this could be the result of the appreciating interest in Gala Games, as verified by Google Trends as well. Since the beginning of March, it has recorded a stellar hike in interest. The spike in the appeal might also be the result of Snoop Dogg's recent launch of Death Row Records on the Gala music platform as the world's first WEB3 record label. In line with the same, it launched the first NFT music from Snoop Dogg, with the same limited to a supply of 500 units. Despite the social bullishness, however, this 8% rally was just another day for Gala, since the altcoin has seen actual hikes of 13% more frequently. The altcoin will need sustainable periods of appreciation, since 80% of its rally from February has already been invalidated. Plus, price indicators did not seem to be supporting a price rise either at press time. Both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and MACD were bearish, neutral and neutral, respectively. The white dots of the parabolic SAR were also in line with the candlesticks, with the potential to flip their position and sit above them. However, since that hasn't happened yet, Gala has time before any correction occurs. Since the altcoin is facing consolidation along with the rest of the market, investors do not see this as an opportunity to be active right now. When the crypto was on a rally around 7 February, Gala holders' presence spiked by 285%. Alas, as soon as it went away, these investors went back to being inactive as well. Then to the $0.175 mark. Technical indicator: the volatility indicator shows the VI lines avoiding a bullish reversal crossover and sustaining the bearish spread. Hence, the possibility of a price surge above the resistance trendline increases. The negative trend in the EMAs grows, which provides a constant resistance to keep the bullish growth in check. However, the breakout of the 20-day EMA resistance level 28 cents and 36 cent support level $0.218 and $0.178. So next important news about Mana price teases wedge pattern breakout is 28 cents next. On Wednesday, the DECENTRALAND Mana price turned green, displaying a 3.66% intraday. The bullish candle retests the resistance trendline of the falling wedge pattern. At technical difficulties, attendees said they were pleased with the South Korean electronics company's willingness to embrace emerging technology and focus on sustainability. Theoretically, users could pre-order new products by clicking the icon, which would take the user to the Samsung website. However, technical issues have plagued this feature, and many people have complained about it on Samsung's Twitter. Is this a site glitch? I can't even check out in my shopping cart, one user asked. Another user responded by saying that the same thing happened to him. They added that it looks like scalpers and robots are trying to outshine everyone. Meanwhile, others complained that they failed to get the NFT badge reward for completing the Turn Red Hearts Green treasure hunting game. By the way, it is reported that this quest will last 5 days and end on February 14th. Upon entering the Samsung 837X space, a hologram prompts users to find and collect 5 discarded cardboard boxes to receive the gift. The gift turns out to be a seed to be planted in Samsung's virtual forest to highlight the company's commitment to sustainability. In exchange for planting seeds, users must receive a heart icon. To get a real gift, they need to go back on Valentine's Day. It kinda symbolizes their love for the forest, to exchange the badge for an exclusive new wearable. Despite the technical challenges, it seems that users have generally been pleased with Samsung, similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be 78 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the maximum price of Gala could be up to 92 cents in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Gala rate forecast 2026. The current Gala price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Gala could reach $1.32 by 2026, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $1.10 for 2026, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026. Gala course prediction 2027. The cost of Gala will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Gala is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.83 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Gala will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Gala will be between $1.52 and $1.58 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Gala ranges from $1.52 to $1.83 for 2027. Gala rate prediction 2028. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Gala will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Gala is expected to peak at $2.63. The minimum bet could rise to $2.14 if the market turns bullish. Gala course prediction 2029. In 2029, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Gala will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $3.70 in 2029. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $3.21, with a maximum price of $3.70 for 2029. Gala price forecast 2030. For a long-term forecast of the Gala price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Gala will rise to around $4.53 by 2030, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2030, the year may end with a maximum price of $5.49 with a minimum price level $4.37.